coral is house for the fish. They need to grow very long. Some damaged area is effect from the most bigger factor from the human factor. Metamorphosa is metamorphosis. I'm the one take a responsible for conservation with Metamorfosa. It's the NGO for restoration coral. So we try to change the mindset. We try to give them like a little education about how important is coral. We do transplantation to recovery the injury. The wish trees is the structure, a place for the coral, like people they can donate by make a wishing. We keep it together with the coral and then we put in the wish tree. My biggest dream from Metamorphosa is to bring back the two ecosystem in Sumberkima beautiful again.